Hello aspirants, welcome to Bhagyalakshmi IAS Institute, where passion meet purpose. So today we are going to discuss about the UPSC prelims exam 100 days plan. So how many days plan this? This is the 100 days plan. We have still 120 days of time for UPSC prelims. So exactly 125 days except the days exam. So now we are planning for 100 days and our program going to start by 29th okay, 29th of this month, 29th Jan. Okay, so we are planning in 100 days time. Okay, in 100 days at least two revisions. Our target is at least two revision, one good revision and one simple revision. So in this we need to prepare GS and at the same time CSAT also, and at the same time current affairs also. These three things are very important for the UPSC exam. So how to prepare? I'll give some plan. Okay, so come to the day one. So we are starting with ancient history. Okay, ancient history, the topic prehistoric period to later Vedic period. So this is the day one, and current affairs, Jan month current affairs. Okay, and daily newspaper. This is also very important. And come to the sources. R.S. Sharma. Okay, next CSAT. It's very important. So what I'm telling, start with the 2023 PYQ paper. At least practice 8 years of PYQs paper. So many students are, so many aspirants, they are thinking like PYQs. What was the use of the PYQs nowadays? Every day, every year pattern change, and there is so many changes came. Okay, but the thing only true. What is that? See, pattern change, but the syllabus is same. Yes or no? Some for example, one year they will give more questions on the percentage. Some year, sometimes they will more questions on the calculators or some different parts. Okay, like but the thing only here, the static syllabus is same. They already provided percentages also mentioned in our syllabus, and number system. This year if you are thinking about the 2023, so most of the questions from the number system. So the static is same, but the difference only, they are giving different questions from the different areas, but the static is same. So number system already we know already percentages, we know already arithmetic reasoning topics. Okay, so we know the Q problems. These are the previous year questions also. So what I'm telling, just practice PYQ. If you're practicing PYQs, you will get to know idea how they are changing the pattern. Okay, how they are focused on the different points, how they are focused on the different view of pattern. Okay, so for that, at least you need to practice 8 years of paper, and after that, practice the topic wise. Then write the mock test. Okay. See, every time remember one thing. Syllabus always every time syllabus same. Okay, there is a no changes of the syllabus. From the 2019 onwards, if you take then up, thoda pattern change. But in 2023, there is a complete pattern change. Pattern only change, syllabus not change. Remember this. Pattern only change. So focus on the syllabus and read, practice yourself with updated pattern also. Okay, this is only the thing. So 2023 paper, I gave here five days of time. At least daily practice 15 to 20 questions from the previous year paper of CSAT. Next day two, Mahajanapadas and Indo. Next day three, Sungas. So from here ancient history completed. Now next day four, medieval history, Tripartite struggle to Rajput, and day five, Delhi Sultan, and day six, Vijayanagara. Okay. So medieval India also done. Same 2023 paper I gave more time. Only for 2023 I gave 7 days of time. Why? Because the very first day everyone feeling like 10 question, after 10 question, no, I'll do later. So this first week practice yourself and make yourself, prepare yourself, and I gave 10 days of time. Today 18th. So our program is going to start by 29. So you have a 10 days of time. Practice yourself. Make yourself, yes, I need to clear this exam, and give instruction to your mind also. మిమ్మల్ని మీరు మోటివేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో మోటివేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేషన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ someone coming and motivating, that's not possible. So motivate yourself, plan for you, which time you woke up, which time you want to sleep, how many hours you want to sleep, you want to study daily, how many hours you want to sleep, how much time you want to spend with your family or friends, whatever, everything plan first, plan. Okay, first think what you want, then plan. Okay, then try to the follow the plan. ఎప్పుడైనా ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి. థింక్ చేయాలి, అనలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడే నా ప్లాన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో, మీకు డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఎవ్రీ మనిషికి ఒక్కొక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది సమ్ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ యూపీఎస్సీ అండ్ స్టేట్ పీఎస్సీస్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏపీఎస్సీ, టీఎస్పీఎస్సీ ఆర్ యూపీపీఎస్సీ. So there is so many state exams also. They are preparing randomly. Okay, and some people they are preparing parallel. Matlab they are preparing both exams at a time. So practice. This is only the dedication of your work. So if you want to clear both exam, plan for yourself. I'm giving one good plan. So if you need any changes, just make the changes according to you. And at least daily, at least 8 to 12 hours time you need to prepare వచ్చేసి. ఓకే, మంచిగా ఒకటి 8 to 12 hours ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటేనే there is a possibility of success. Okay, so I'm telling only this, just practice చేయండి, మంచిగా రివైజ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా. Next, day 7. Day 7 is the revision day. And come to the day 8. So day 8, here we are started with art and culture. Okay. So art and culture also I mentioned the topics, cave architecture to Gupta, post Gupta, Delhi Sultan Mughal. Okay na. So these topics, whatever I mentioned here. And next, newspaper. February current affairs, and at the same time daily newspaper for oh sorry, for art and culture, follow the Nitin Singhania. Okay, mostly Nitin Singhania. And whenever you are studying ancient and medieval, you will get the same art and culture topics na. So follow the Nitin Singhania or current affairs, both important. Next, 2023 PYQs. Next, day 9 sculpture, and day 10 Indian musics to literatures, and day 11, okay, folks and literatures. So like this. And day 12 festivals. Actually yeah, art and culture topics thoda lengthy. Okay, why it is like there is so many subtopics, so many subtopics. But if you check the paper 2023, in 2023 paper there is a from ancient and art and culture there is a 7 questions. Okay, 7 questions from ancient and art and culture, and only one question from modern history. Okay, I'll give the analysis of the 2023 paper also. Then you will get the idea. Okay, I'll give in the next class. So that's why ancient and art and culture also both are important. Okay, next, day 13. This is for revision, art and culture. And every Sunday I'm giving my like empty day. You just need to practice, or for example sometimes we are going outside, health issues, whatever the issue, cover any one day in one week, take the one day leave ka matlab not complete leave, just take the small break like 5 to 6 hours ka break. Okay, next, day 15, fall of Mughal empire. Here we have started with modern history. Modern history we can start with spectrum also. Okay, or NCRT. Next, day 16, India under the East India Company to 1853. And day 17, British expansion policies and Indian National Congress. Day 18, national movements. Okay, and national movements to home rule movement. Next, day 19, national movement 1919 to Ministry of Provisions 1937. And at the same time current affairs also, March current affairs and April current affairs, and daily current affairs 2022 ka PYQ. Next, day 20, freedom to partition. So, and day 21 Sunday, this is your day. Okay, in your hand. Next, day 22, tribal movements and April current affairs 2020 CSAT PYQ. Next, day 23, revision. So from here complete modern history completed. So revise modern history and start with the geography, physical geography of India. You need to prepare 11th 12th NCERT and GC Leon and 2019 ka CSAT paper. Okay, physical geography of world to local standard time. This is the very basic topics. Okay, just pause the video, read the topics. Date 25, geomorphology, like landforms, landform development, first order, second order, so how it is developed, volcanoes. Okay, next, day 26, climatology. Day 27, oceanography. These two are very, very important. From these two topics, you will get at least three questions confirm. Okay, and at the same time, current affairs also very important in this area. Okay, and May current affairs and 2019 CSAT paper. Next, day 28, Sunday. This is US day. Day 29, Monday. So world economics geography. From here world Indian geography, and here world economic geography. Day 30, physical geography of India. This is very important and very simple. So at least one to two questions from this topic. One question 100%. And day 31, Indian climate. Day 32, soils, different types, and map based questions related to the current affairs also, whatever you need to practice in this day. And June current affairs at the same time 2018 ka paper. Next, day 33, missing topics. If you are missing any topics, practice day 33. So they see here, from day 33 already March month started. Okay, March month already started. So you need to focus on more also. Okay. Next, day 34, revision. And day 35, Sunday. Day 36, polity was started, constitutionalism. And day 37, polity, and at the same time August current affairs. Day 37, union. And day 38, fundamental rights, so fundamental duties. So here I am giving day 37, fundamental rights and directive principles. So fundamental rights and directive principles are very important, and at the same time it's a lengthy. So that's why I'm giving in single day. August current affairs and source Lakshmikant. And day 39, central government, okay, and state government. August current affairs and 2016 ka PYQ. Day 40, Indian federalism, okay, and revision newspaper. Next, Lakshmikant. Start here, September current affairs. Monthly magazine, okay, and day 41, official languages, and September current affairs, and revision. From here 2016 papers done. Matlab 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 8 years ka PYQs over here. Okay. Now started the topics revision wise. Okay, revision topic wise. CSAT paper na మీరేం చేస్తారంటే టాపిక్ వైజ్ రివిజన్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ డే 42, polity, any missing topics. Day 43, matlab this is the Sunday, and day 43, political dimensions. Day 44, constitutional bodies and non-constitutional bodies. These are also important. Day 45 and day 60. Here we have started economy. Okay, so economy, measurements of the Indian national income, and current affairs also, September current affairs, and after that revision topics from the CSAT. Day 47, money banking, and October current affairs. And day 48, banking reforms, and at the same time October current affairs. Day 49, Sunday, you can read yourself. Day 50, inflation, okay, and October current affairs. Next, day 51, international trade, and November current affairs. Day 52. So here already we'll get the budget and survey, every details will get here. So read the budget, government budget, fiscal policies, and budget evaluation, and what they are mentioned in the budget, union budget and state budget. If you are preparing for state exam, also read state budget and union budget, and at the same time economic survey, very very important. You will get the question from that also, and India yearbook also. Okay. Next, day 53, external sectors. Okay, like balance of payment. These also very very important. Current and capital account. Hmm. Next, come to the sources of the economy. There is a 11th, 12th NCERT, and at the same time follow the Mrunal PPT also, very very important and very good source also. He covered current affairs also, so that is also very good. Next, day 54. This is for the revision day. And day 55, agriculture. So agriculture topic में क्या पढ़ना है? So what ఏమి చదవాలి అగ్రికల్చర్ నుంచి అనేది కూడా ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. Then day 56, so Sunday. And day 57, industrial sector, MSME, land reforms. Okay, so these are the very 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 important, and PPP, investment model, and current affairs, December current affairs. So this already going to complete March month. Next, day 58, ecology environment. Day 59, biodiversity environment. So for environment, you need to study like PMF or Shankar IAS, or both are good. Next, day 60, biodiversity conservation, and mean especially when you are studying environment, focus on the current affairs area, very very important. And day 61, protected areas, national parks, and every time remember, any national parks in news, or any animals, or any acts or amendments also very very important in environment point of view. And day 62, environmental problems, climate change, and COP also very very important. Next, day 63, Sunday. And day 64, conservation effect in India, and day 65 revision. Okay, so here already month fourth month already started, and so here sixth day 6th fourth month. Next day 66 science and tech, day 67 also science and technology, in this information technology, and day 68 applications of the science and technology, and Jan month current affairs. Day 69 autonomy space research. Okay, this is also important area, space research. And day 70 health and medicine. From here at least 1 2 questions coming, one question to guarantee, that is especially related to the current affairs, also very important. And day 71 applications of the science and technology, very very important, one question from this area. And day 72 here complete, we are completed the complete UPSC syllabus, science and technology also over. So for first reading how many days will take? 72 days, approx my plan. Okay, see here, see, day 1 from day 3 days ancient history. Okay, 3 days medieval, art and culture 6 days, modern India 6 days, sorry, modern India 8 days, and polity 8 days, economy 8 days. So like this we are going to complete in 70 days complete syllabus. So here 70 days లో మీ సిలబస్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. Now we have how many days time? So from for example from today we have how many days time? Still we have 50 days time. But according to our schedule, we have 30 days time in 100 days program, and our 100 days program going to end by the 10th May. So 10th May, our exam is 25th May. So we have 15 days more extra time. So matlab we have 115 days, 15 days. So it 30 plus 15. So you have still 45 days. In this 45 days, you need to read the schemes like government budget and write daily test or practice mock test, full length test, half length test, like that. Practice the mock test also very very important, and some miscellaneous topics also, monthly magazine, PT 365. So there is a number of things chala untai. So first revision are very very important. Why? Because already most of the students already they completed the syllabus, but now onwards at least read one good revision. Okay, one good revision ke liye this one. And so next day 73 onwards, just focus on what you are missing, and at the same time practice daily test, or practice every week mock test like half length test or full length test. And day 24 missing topics, and again day 75. So day 75 onwards again the second revision start. Ancient history 2 days, medieval history 2 days, modern history 2 days, and art and culture 2 days, and full test and complete history. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కంప్లీట్‌గా హిస్టరీ మీద టెస్ట్ రాయండి. తర్వాత జాగ్రఫీ 3 డేస్ అండ్ ఫుల్ టెస్ట్ జాగ్రఫీ మీద రాయండి. అండ్ ఐఆర్, బడ్జెట్, సర్వే స్కీమ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒక 3 డేస్ రివిజన్ చేసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ ఫుల్ టెస్ట్ రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎకానమీ 3 డేస్ రివిజన్ and full test. Environment 3 days revision, full test. Science and technology revision and full test over. So 100 days our schedule done. Okay, so after this అంటే మనకి 10 March 10th కి, so 100 days over. Now you have still 15 days of time. This is your time in your hand. Okay, మంచిగా ఆ టైంలో రివిజన్ చేసుకోండి, టెన్షన్ తీసుకోకుండా ఫోకస్డ్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. యూ విల్ గెట్ ద సక్సెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. మీకు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ కావాలంటే నేను మన యాప్ లింక్ పెడతాను. మన యాప్లో డాక్యుమెంట్ అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మన టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో కూడా అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో దీని గురించి మీకు ఎక్కువ ఏమైనా డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలి అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు నాకు మన నెంబర్కి కూడా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. మన నెంబర్ వచ్చేసి 9618273181. సో డాక్యుమెంట్ వచ్చేసి నేను టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో పెడతాను. లింక్ వచ్చేసి మీకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో పెడతానండి. సో ఇంకేదైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నా కూడా యూ కెన్ కాల్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.